Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Static and dynamic content editing. Making new friends in college can be tough, much harder than in elementary or even high school. It's totally normal to feel left out or alone when you're at a new school.
Make your mark, take our lead.
You're not doing enough new activities. Sometimes when you have a hard time making friends, you have to stretch out of your comfort zone in order to meet different people. You don't have to become someone else just to find friends, but if what you've been doing isn't working, consider changing it to something else.
Let's help you make your mark.
Here are 5 of them. Join a common interest club. If you thought your high school had a lot of clubs to join, then college is going to blow your mind. Go to every icebreaker event. Join an intramural sports team. Get an on-campus job. Become involved with your department.
Let's help you make your mark.
Things to do to combat loneliness at college. Make new friends. The #1 way to deal with your lonely feelings is to make new friends. Focus on the coursework and studying. Call someone. Explore new passions, and yourself. Go home. Talk to a peer or professional.
Make your mark, take our lead.
When someone doesn't have friends, it's almost never because their core personality is unlikable. It's usually due to a mix of interfering factors such as, they're not knowledgeable about the skills for making friends. They're too shy, socially anxious, insecure, or unconfident to pursue friendships.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.